In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies in Safari. First, let's get started by opening Safari. This is the web browser that comes pre-installed on your Apple devices. You can find it in your dock, or you can use Spotlight by pressing Command and Space and typing in Safari. Once the browser is open, you will see your favorite websites, bookmarks, and the address bar at the top. Opening Safari sets the stage for managing your web browsing experience. It's essential to keep your browser running smoothly. Next, click on Safari in the top menu bar. This is located at the very top of your screen, next to the Apple logo. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings, but you may also see Preferences depending on your version. This action opens a new window with various options. These settings allow you to customize your browsing experience, including privacy settings and cookie management. Taking a moment to explore these settings can enhance your overall web experience. Now, let's move on to the Privacy tab. Click the Privacy tab at the top of the Settings window. Here you'll find options related to your online privacy, including how cookies are handled. This is a crucial step because managing cookies helps protect your personal information. Cookies can store data about your browsing habits, and clearing them can help maintain your privacy. Seeing this tab reassures you that you have control over your online data. After that, click on Manage Website Data. This button is typically located within the Privacy tab. When you click it, a new window will pop up, showing a list of websites that have stored cookies and other data on your device. This list gives you insight into which sites have access to your information. Being able to manage this data is vital for keeping your device running efficiently. It also helps you make informed decisions about which websites you trust. Next, you will see an option to select specific websites. You can browse through the list and check the boxes next to the websites whose cookies you wish to remove. Alternatively, if you want a clean slate, click Remove All. This action will delete all cookies stored on your browser. Removing cookies can resolve issues with website loading and improve performance. It also gives you a fresh start regarding your browsing experience. After you've made your selections, you can feel confident knowing you are taking steps to optimize Safari. Finally, after selecting specific websites or choosing to remove all cookies, confirm your choice. Once you click Remove or Remove All, you will see a confirmation appear. This message will assure you that the cookies have been successfully deleted. Clearing cookies is a simple yet effective way to enhance your browsing experience and protect your privacy. You can now continue using Safari without the clutter of unnecessary cookies. With these steps completed, you have successfully cleared cookies in Safari. This process not only helps improve your browser's performance, but also enhances your online privacy. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this information useful in your web browsing endeavors.